Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to improve your English listening skills, focusing on understanding numbers in spoken English, a crucial skill for exams like IELTS or TOEFL and Cambridge exams, as well as for real-life situations where numbers matter. In this lesson, we'll explore an interesting topic, uranium production and its uses. Uranium plays a major role in nuclear energy and global energy production. So this is a great way to practice listening while learning something new. Here's how it works. On the screen, you'll see a fill-in-the-blank exercise. As you hear a short text about uranium, listen carefully and write down the missing numbers. Ready? Let's begin.
Uranium is a critical element for nuclear power generation and has significant implications for both energy and defense sectors. In 2022, global uranium production from mines was approximately 55,000 to 65,000 tons, meeting the worldwide demand for nuclear fuel. The leading producer was Kazakhstan, contributing about 43% of the world's supply. Canada followed, accounting for 15%, and Namibia with 11%. Notably, these three countries together provided nearly 70% of the global uranium output. In terms of resources, Australia possesses the largest share, with an estimated 23% of the world's uranium reserves. This substantial reserve base positions Australia as a key player in the future of uranium supply. Uranium's primary application is as fuel for nuclear reactors. Most commercial reactors require uranium to be enriched from its natural state of 0.7% U₃O₈ isotope to about 3 to 5% for efficient energy production. This process involves increasing the concentration of the fissile U₃O₈ isotope to sustain nuclear reactions. Beyond energy, uranium plays a role in national defense. Highly enriched uranium, HEU, with a concentration of 20% or more, U₃O₈, is used in nuclear weapons. For instance, the first nuclear bomb deployed in 1945 utilized 64 kilograms of uranium, enriched to 80% U₃O₈. However, producing weapons-grade uranium requires complex and closely monitored enrichment processes. The global uranium market is dynamic. In 2023, U.S. civilian nuclear power operators purchased 51.6 million pounds, approximately 23,400 tons of uranium concentrate, a 27% increase from the previous year, at an average price of $43.80 per pound. This reflects the growing demand and strategic importance of uranium in energy production. In summary, uranium is indispensable for generating nuclear energy and has critical defense applications. Understanding its production, enrichment, and global distribution offers insight into its pivotal role in modern society.
Alright, that's the end of the listening section. Now, take a moment to check your answers. If you need more time, feel free to pause and listen to it again. Let's check how you did. Here are the correct answers. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. Listening for numbers can be tricky, but with practice, you'll improve your ability to understand important details in English. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Want more listening practice? Check out the other exercises on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.